So what's going on, YouTube? Back with another video for you guys. In this video today, we're doing a day in the life with an Uber driver, and we're gonna be delivering groceries to people, and we're gonna be delivering food to people. So I'm here with Matt. As you can see, my last video I did with Matt, and he basically just showing me the ropes of what he's gonna do, delivering food and delivering items to people. Anything you want to say, Matt?
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just about to do a delivery on Winn-Dixie. Got a shop for Christy. She's looking for some snacks, 14 items, and yeah, it should be not a problem. So basically $12 for this trip. Hey there, YouTube, how you doing? When you're shopping, sometimes you're not gonna find the right item that you need. So this is the replacement area. So what you're gonna do is, this is the eggs. You're gonna look right here. Nellie's grade A brown free range eggs. Thing is, since we had a hurricane, there's a lot of people that shopped here and it's pretty much out of stock. So what you're gonna do is, if you can't find a specific item, you're gonna click on can't find item. Still can't find item. You can see more options if you can't find. The eggs are completely out. So what you're gonna do is scroll here, give you the options right here. And this is the closest item that I found. And what you do is you click find item, and then you're gonna scan it with the barcode right here. Scan it and boom. And then you click the quantity of what you found, and it's only one. So boom, there it is. All right, everyone, so we just got every item on the list. Well, not every item, because I had to get replacements, but as you can see, I finished up stocking up every grocery that the customer wanted. So right now we're gonna scan over there and go hit the register right now.
All right, so we're done. We just did grocery shopping. That took a little bit, and they wanted about 18 items. There's some items we couldn't find. There was some items that we had to get replacement for. And what else did we have to do?
So once you finish scanning your items at the register, they'll ask you, well, first of all, you have to pay with Apple Pay or whatever card they give you through Uber. So I guess you have to scan it through your phone, and once you finish that, they'll give you a receipt, and you take a picture of the receipt, and that's pretty much it. Put the items in the trunk, drop them off to their designated location, and you're pretty much done with that.
So right now we're about to go to the location, and we'll see you guys there. So as you can see right there, he's at the person door. He's just making sure that he takes a picture, make sure he knock and follow their instructions, and we just dropped off their groceries right there.
So we just finished dropping off the items at the customer's doorstep. So yeah, basically I had to take a picture of it, and they picked it up, and that was pretty much it. In all honesty, I honestly don't like doing shopping that much, in my opinion. But if you want to do like other stuff, like just regular Uber deliveries, like just regular food, maybe even drop people off to their destination, or it's all up to you guys. So it really depends. But my preference, I'd prefer like UberX, Uber Eats, and Uber Pets sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, we got 2 orders today, so we're just gonna go to IHOP and a pizza place. So now, once we finish that, we can go to our next destination.
All right, so there we go. We got the food, we got the drink from IHOP, and on to the next location.
All right, you guys, we just got the pizza. Now we're about to ship it to the next destination.
So we just dropped off the pizza. The pizza is now delivered, and now we have IHOP. We got to go drop off the IHOP delivery, and then we're gonna go ahead and go get some gas because we're running real low on gas. So see you guys over there. There you go. He's delivering his next one, and that's the IHOP right there.
All right, guys, we just finished dropping off the IHOP order, so now we're gonna head into Wawa to get some gas. So, because we need it. It takes a lot of tripping to do, like the gas mileage will drain it sometimes. So obviously, once in a while, you have to get gas. So yeah, we'll see you there.
All right, so here we at right now at Wawa. We're just taking a little break. Make sure that y'all take a break when y'all do these stuff because you don't want to burn yourself out. Am I right?
No, that's true, because eventually, if you do too much Ubering, they'll eventually have a time limit where it says, okay, you have this amount of hours to, and then they'll take off, or they'll shut down your app for now, and then you have to wait another 2 hours maybe. So yeah, that's to keep in mind.
Yeah, so let's go get some gas and let's go refuel up. See you guys.
All right, break's over, but now we got another order and it's from Wawa, and we just stopped by to get gas here. So we'll just wait and pick up the order, and then once we do that, we'll pick up our last one for today. So
this is too easy, honestly.
Yeah, it's pretty much it.
Too easy. I'm telling you, if we could do it, y'all can do it. It's pretty much very, very simple. What we said last time in the last video we talked about, if you got a car, you can make some money with your car. As you can see, there you go right there. He's coming out. And we're gonna go drop off this Wawa delivery.
All right, guys, we just picked up the order from Wawa. Now we got another order that just popped up, which is Culver's. So we're about to pick that one up right now. So let's go.
So we just arrived at Culver's, and Culver's is gonna be the last order that we have for today, and then we're gonna go drop off both orders to the customer.
Okay, guys, we just got the order from Culver's, so now we're about to drop it off. All right, let's head out. Dropped off Brian's order from Wawa, so now the next one, I'm gonna drop Samantha's order off from Culver's, and we'll be on our way. All right, guys, so we just finished our last order, just dropped off the Culver order, and that's pretty much it. Basically, eventually your orders will pop up giving you the amount that you made so far. Like it says right now, I've made $31 right now, but it's gonna show more because eventually they're gonna add tips later on. So yeah, it's possible to get that much amount of money in a day, and if you guys want to do it the whole day in 24 hours, you probably make even more than that. So that's pretty much all I gotta say. Leave a like and comment, subscribe, and catch y'all soon. All right, guys, this is how much I made throughout today. Made $41 in total, 3-hour drive, basically 5 trips. $41 is not that bad, honestly. This is just the Uber Eats part. Everything else, you could the other servers, they have, like I said, Uber Pet, Uber X, Uber packaging. They also have alcohol, shop and pay. All in total, you can make way more than that. That's all I gotta say.